How do you center text vertically in InDesign? So this is one I've fought with for years and years, but it's pretty quick and easy to do. First, we'll press T for the type tool. I'm going to get myself a text box out here by clicking and dragging, and we're just going to type in the word center. Now, I'll make sure this is a little bit larger for you guys to read, maybe 50-point font. And can we go bold? Maybe we'll just pick a nice font there that is easy to read. So real easy to center horizontally, right? You go down to the paragraph section in your properties panel and you click align center. But to get it vertical, what we need to do is actually just have this text box selected, and we'll go up into type, and what we need to do is find text frame options. And actually, weirdly, it's not in type, it's actually in object. So we go to object, and about halfway down we see text frame options. You can also, obviously you see the shortcut key Command B or Control B on Windows, but you can also just right click on your text box and find the same option. And once we go into text frame options, inside of here we have vertical justification. And so what that is alignment, and to the top of your text box, the bottom, or even the center. And so we can click on center and click OK. We can also drag this text box over and check mark preview to see exactly where it places that text. And so that's how you can really easily align or center text vertically here in InDesign.